Hello everyone, welcome to today's episode of the Daily Target series. So let's begin with today's target. Okay, a piece of cheese is what the today's target is. It would be easy. So as always, first we'll use the star and it will have the property background, this color. Okay, my paste, and now I'll use body. Wait, let me first give it position fixed, and the body will have first tag is background itself, which will be this color. Paste. Okay, seems to be that body has a problem with the position fixed. No problem. So now I'll use margin to give it the perfect shape. First let me remove this div and its properties. They oftentimes get a little bit annoying, so I'll just prefer to remove it. So the margin will be, I'll start with 100, which is obviously not the value we need. So 80, 70, 5, 4, 3, 6, 7, 8. Okay, 75 is good. And here it will be maybe 80. 75. Now we'll give it a border radius, which I think will be, first let me see if I can get a better value. 74.5, 75.5. Okay, let's keep it. So the border radius will be, I'll start with 10 pixels. No, 15, 20, 18. Yeah, 18 looks perfect. Now I'll make a div A, and then here I'll use B. Okay, so first comes A. It will have obviously position fixed. Then it will have a width of, I take a rough guess, 30. Same for the height, 30. Then border radius is obviously going to be 50%, and I'll give it a margin of 20. Yeah, the position is perfect, except we forgot to give the background. So the background is this color. Let's paste it perfectly where it should be. Now we'll use box shadow, and the box shadow will be -64. Okay, not that much value. -10Q and -10Q. Okay, so this will be 10Q. 20, 30, 40, 50. A little bit downward, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. And now I'll give the color, which is this one. $49.5. 49? Yeah, 49 is perfect. Now B will have similar properties obviously, so I'll start with width which I'll give of around 70. Height also of 70. No, 70 is too much. 60. Yeah, it would be just the double. No, not even double. Not 40, it will be 50. Now I'll give it margin of 100. I know it wouldn't be nowhere near 100, but still 60. And now I will give 110, 20, 30, 40. And we'll change the box shadow now. So box shadow will be at around, what should it be? I'll give the value 49Q, 49Q. Take it a little bit up, maybe 19, 10. And let me paste the color here so that I can see better. So 60, 70, 80, 90. Downwards, so 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. 89. Yeah, let's submit it and see what is the result we get. Oh, that looks perfect to me. 99.7% match. Why so? We can change the margin at max 75. Proper. So what do we get now? Now it's a 99.9% match. Maybe we also have to just make it 20. If it works, that would be so weird, because obviously we gave a better value. Did it increase? Let me check in my solutions. It increased. No, the score is same. So the next thing we can do is maybe 21, 22. 21 looks still better, maybe. The score is still the same. $75.1, 2, 3, or maybe 74.1. 9. I don't know. Okay, let me migrate to the previous solution we had, which was pretty good to me. Load. And what I'll do is I'll change the box shadow values from Q to pixels. For a reason to give it a rather defined location. Because I think this will rather give us a better result. Although it increases the character count, but still, it's worth it. Pixel and I'll give it 48, 47, 46, and obviously 40. What about now? No effect. It rather decreased. Okay, so I'll try to make a better solution for it. So that's it for today's video. Hope to see you next one. Till then, bye.